What is dredging? How do dredgers work? The bottom mud is excavated by a cutter suction dredger or a trailing suction dredger, and then the dredging pump transports the dredged mud to a designated disposal location through a pipeline pumping system. Dredge pumps must have strong suction and wear resistance to handle mud containing sand, gravel, and other solid particles. The dredging pump transports the mud from the storage tank or sedimentation tank to the dehydration equipment to remove the water in the mud, and then chemically treats the mud. The treated mud may be used for land reclamation, etc. Dredging plays an important role in improving water navigation conditions, flood control and drainage, land utilization, etc. Through these steps, dredging pumps play a key role in dredging projects, ensuring reliable transportation of mud. Choosing the right dredge pump is crucial for dredging.